High above the ground, on the branch of a mighty oak tree, a tiny leaf began to grow. It was a beautiful light green color, so new and delicate. The sun shone down on the little leaf, and the rain showered it with tiny drops of water. With each passing day, the leaf grew bigger and stronger, drinking in the sunlight and the rain. The leaf was a vital part of the oak tree, just like all the other leaves, rustling in the breeze. Its home was a place of bustling life and activity. Birds chirped merrily as they flew from branch to branch. Squirrels scampered up and down the trunk, searching for acorns, and all the while the leaf soaked up the sun's rays, helping the oak tree to thrive. The leaf loved being part of the tree, swaying gently in the wind and basking in the warmth of the sun. It felt a sense of belonging, a connection to the earth and the sky. The other leaves whispered stories on the breeze, tales of faraway lands carried on the wind. The leaf dreamt of distant adventures, but for now it was content to play its part in the miracle of life unfolding all around it. The leaf, like all its neighbors, was a very busy little thing. It had an important job to do: photosynthesis. This is how plants use sunlight, water, and air to make their own food, and it's a very clever process indeed. Imagine the leaf as a tiny kitchen, hard at work. Inside the leaf are tiny green cells called chloroplasts. They're like little chefs, and they contain a special ingredient, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what gives plants their green color, and it's the key ingredient in photosynthesis. When sunlight shines on the leaf, the chlorophyll captures the sun's energy. The leaf also takes in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny holes called stomata. Using the sun's energy, the leaf combines the carbon dioxide with water drawn up from the roots. This creates sugar, which is the plant's food. Photosynthesis isn't just important for plants, it's vital for the whole planet. As the leaf makes its food, it releases oxygen into the air, and oxygen, as we all know, is what we breathe. So every time you take a breath of fresh air, remember the hard work of little leaves like this one. As summer faded into autumn, the days grew shorter, and the air turned crisp. The vibrant green leaves on the oak tree began to transform, taking on hues of golden yellow, fiery orange, and rich crimson. The once green leaf, now a beautiful shade of gold, felt a change within itself. The air grew colder and the wind blew more fiercely. One by one, the leaves around it let go of their branches and danced on the wind. The golden leaf clung tightly, but it knew its time was coming too. Then, with a gentle rustle, it finally detached from the branch and floated gracefully towards the ground. Landing softly on a bed of fallen leaves, the golden leaf felt a sense of peace. It was the end of one journey, but the beginning of another. All around, the forest floor was alive with activity. Insects scurried amongst the leaves and earthworms burrowed through the soil. The golden leaf knew it had an important role to play in this new environment. Lying on the forest floor, the leaf began to break down. Tiny creatures called decomposers, such as bacteria and fungi, got to work. They broke down the leaf into simpler substances, releasing nutrients into the soil. These nutrients, like nitrogen and phosphorus, are essential for plant growth. As the days turned into weeks, the leaf slowly disappeared, becoming part of the rich tapestry of the forest floor. But it didn't truly vanish. Its nutrients were absorbed by the roots of the mighty oak tree, nourishing it and helping it to grow strong. And so the journey of the leaf came full circle. What was once a vibrant green leaf soaking up the sun's rays had returned to the earth, enriching the soil and giving life to new plants. The cycle of life, a continuous and wondrous process, continued. The leaf's journey was a reminder that even in nature's endings, there are always new beginnings.